folks, we finally got a headline. News is crash as balls attack. Coach is calling me, don't grip, just do them slow. Guys are fighting, bleeding, falling. Thanks to good old Captain Jack. Captain Jack just wants to close his eyes and go. Let me go far away, somewhere they won't never find me, and tomorrow won't remind me of today. When the city's finally sleeping and the moon looks old and gray, I get on a train that's bound for Santa Fe. And I'm gone, and I'm done. No more running, no more lying, no more fat old men denying me my pain. Just a moon so big and yellow, it turns night right into day. Dreams come true, yeah they do, in Santa Fe. Where does it say you gotta live and die here? Where does it say a guy can catch a break? Why should you only take what you give? Why should you spend your whole life dreaming crap where there ain't no future? Even at 17, breaking your back for someone else's sake. If the light don't seem to suit you, how about a change of scene? Far from the lousy headlines and the deadlines in between. Santa Fe, my old friend, I can spend my whole life dreaming, though I know that's all I'm seem inclined to do. I ain't getting any younger, and I wanna start brand new. I need space and fresh air. Let them laugh in my face, I don't care. Say my place, I'll be there. Just be real, it's all I'm asking. Not some painting in my head, 'cause I'm dead if I can count on you today. I got nothing if I ain't got Santa Fe.